and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Labrinth here, a cool song called Mount Everest. So, Mount Everest ain't got a beep on him cause he's on top of the world, of course. This is about 3 chords, D minor, G minor, and A sharp. Goes in that order through the entire song. We will learn how to play it. So, no need for any capo, and we will start with the D minor. All these chords will be bar chords because we want the high notes here for the song. So the D minor is a bar here on the 5th fret from the A string and down, so 5 strings from bottom and up. So the rest will be 7th on D string, 7th on G, and 6th on B. That's the D minor. Next chord will be G minor. This time a bar on the 3rd fret, all strings. And the rest will be 5th on A and 5th on D. And the final chord will be A sharp. This time a bar on the 6th fret, all strings. And the rest will be 8th on A string, 8th on D string, and 7th on G. Okay, so there we have the chords. Now a very easy way of playing the song, and that is actually how you should play it. So it will be 16 downs of D minor, 4 downs of G minor, and 4 downs of A sharp. You could do this, just the 16 downs, like this. 16, G minor, 2, 3, 4, A sharp, 2, 3, 4, and that is 1 round, and you will go again 16 downs D minor. Or you can play this with the beat, with the clap, and if you choose to go that way, you will play on every third. If you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 all the time, on every third you will hit a clap. Okay, so that means when you play the D minor, you play 1, 2, clap down, 1, 2, clap down, 1, 2, clap 4, 1, 2, clap 4, like this 4 times. So on every third, hit a clap. Then you shift to the G minor, 1, 2, clap 4, and A sharp, 1, 2, clap 4, and 1, 2, clap 4, 1, 2, clap 4, 1, 2, clap 4. And so on. I prefer to hit the clap on the E string only. I don't want to kill the sound too much. If I hit, I don't like that for this song. So I want the strings to ring out. Therefore, hit the clap on the E string only. So the sound rings out while I'm hitting the clap. That's my choice of doing this. And you can do it in your way. I prefer to have the sound. All right. So 2 different ways. I prefer also to have the beat with us. So on every third, a clap, and that will be it through the entire song. So good luck with Labrinth, Mount Everest. Play tune.